all your core settings which define how you want to order products on the Cabinetry Online portal, click on your profile drop-down to open up the account settings option. From here, you can update your name, email address, phone number, address and other profile settings, as well as a section to grant access to your manufacturer to log directly into your account if you require them to give you some assistance on a job. Moving along, we have the ability to change our password if needed. And we can also set up or change our default delivery address, which will pre-fill into a new job if you've opted to have that job delivered. Like we saw in the room defaults when we created a new job, we can preset some product defaults that we'd like to apply to our account. This means that when we start a new job, the settings we have here will pre-fill into the room defaults section of your newly created job. For example, if you want all your jobs to default to a bliss cinder for the carcass part of the cabinets, you can set that change here. Now every job we create will by default use a bliss cinder for the carcass. Every part of the room default section, including standard product sizes, can be set here. And lastly, we have the option to manage our favorite products by adding, removing, or reordering them as required, and also the same for any hardware items.